Good afternoon, folks. This is Jeremy with Switzer and Son Select Auto and RV Sales here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Got a Coachmen Freedom Express travel trailer, 23.9 is the model number. This unit is roughly 4,300 pounds dry, tandem axle. This unit is so clean. You're seeing it exactly the way we got it. Fresh in. We haven't washed this unit. I haven't detailed this unit. All we've done is brought it in and taken pictures of it. We're getting ready to run it through the service department. This unit has the Asdale composite panels on the outside of it, which is definitely a really nice feature. We're getting a lot of positive comments on those. Freedom Express Select 23.9 SE. Like I said, 4,300. It actually says 4,374 is what the number on the door when it came off the manufacturer's line. Queen size walk around bed, nice pillow top mattress, U-shaped dinette. All of the fabric upholstery is in exceptional shape. Cabinetry in exceptional shape. A lot of storage for this arrangement. 3 burner stove with oven, large microwave, has the double door refrigerator, Dinette gas electric refrigerator freezer, ducted heat, ducted air, gas and electric water heater, double bunk system. Looks like probably 32-inch TV. Shelves, lots of pantry storage, and you can take those out and use it as a closet if you prefer. Large bathroom area, tub shower combo. Folks, this unit is absolutely like new in every way. Don't miss out on an opportunity to find something that's just in the box clean. It does have an outside kitchen, large power awning. It's just exceptionally clean. 918-299-3361 is my number. My name is Jeremy. I'm the general manager here at Switzer and Son Select Auto and RV Sales, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Come see us. Have a great day.